fan, this is our slider painting machine. This one is the barrel type. Okay, and this model is the 48 model. The capacity is 50 to 30 kg. The painting quantity. Okay, here the paint is putting here, and this is the painting gun, and this is the control panel. Okay, and this is our circuit board, and this is the alarm speaker. Now let me show you how to operate our slider painting machine. Firstly, we have to loosen this emergency stop. Turn in this way and press here. Okay, and let me show you the control panel function. And this one is for showing the temperature. Here is the setting temperature, and this one is the currency, the machine temperature of the inside barrel. Normally for slide painting, we will set up the temperature is 80 to 110 degrees centigrade. Okay, here is for setting up the temperature. Now this one is for adjusting the painting barrel operation speed by pressing here. Normally, we already set up the inside data. You no need to change the data, but you can change here for adjusting the barrel running speed. And this one is for showing the whole painting operation process time. The unit is spinning, but sometimes it's better lock set up this temperature, lock set up this time, because sometimes your technician need to check the painting situation very often to confirm the painting result. Okay, now let me show you. And this one also, here, this one, left, this one, these two numbers showing the slider painting time, the painting time. And each second is 0.1 second. So here 20, that means the painting time is 2 seconds. And here is for the painting gun stop time. After painting 2 seconds, the painting gun will stop 1 second. So the unit also 0.1 second. Okay, so 10, that means 1 second. Now let me show you. For the safety operation, first before you adjusting the following button, you have to make sure the air blow button is on, because you can see the wind, you can hear it. Here for the air blowing is for reduce the inside barrel temperature. Okay, after here, and we have to press here, because after turn on this air blow button, here will be on. Okay, and then we will put here for heating. After the heating button, and later this one will be on after 5 seconds. Okay, after here, and then you can also adjusting the routing also first. Okay, after routing here will be on also. And then pressing the painting also spray, the paint spray. Okay. You can hear now the slider is painting inside. So now already set up 2 seconds. After painting 2 seconds, the painting gun will stop for 1 second. Let me check. Okay. Now it's painting, and then stop 1 second. Okay. That's here. If you want to stop the machine, normally we will also stop it in this direction. Firstly, you have to press here to stop play, and stop rotating, and stop the heating, like this one. Okay, stop the machine is like this operation steps. Now I want to show you the plating barrel inside. It's very easy, just here. Okay, normally our machine will be set up 2 baskets. one basket, normally one time the plating quantity is 15 kg to 30 kg for the better result. Okay, we will give you one basket and another one. So 2 baskets for you. This is the stainless steel, the material. Okay. The paint will be putting here, and this is the plating can. And on the upstairs, we will give you one air tube for the heating suction out.